Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, today we are going to learn something interesting. How do we get all the file name in Excel from this folder? Let's copy the folder name and go back to Excel, paste your folder name somewhere else, and you can put your path separator followed by asterisk. So that means this is common for all the files, and that could be any file. So now this is my J1 cell. Now you can go to formula, name manager, and you can go to new. So you can mention the file name, files. This is the files, and we have a function called file. We have a function called files, which works only on the name range. This is the formula we applied and close it. Now see that I'm using index function. Now you press F3. F3 will get you the list of all name manager list. This is the name range we created, comma. You can use row function, which will get you the row index. And see that we got all the file names. And you can use if error also to remove or replace error with blank. So if you add any file, you simply come here and refresh your formula. The file will reflect. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. I hope you found this useful.